Hi students, we are going to see today functions, and you know that functions are very important in CSIR NET exam. There are so many questions based on functions came in exams, okay, yearly. So here we first define function. What do you mean by function? So we have to see the definition of function. Yes, what is a function? A function is nothing but a relation. It is a relation from set A to set B such that f of for every element in A, for every element in A, there exists an unique element in B, unique element in B, such that f of x is equals to y. If there is a unique element y, we just see here y in B such that f of x is equals to y for all x belongs to A. So this is called function, and function is nothing but we have, so we will, okay, suppose for every element, suppose there are two sets A and B, okay, this is A and this is B. So we will take A, B, C, D, E are the some 5 elements from A. So there is unique element in A, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, okay. So we have a unique image, of A in B, B to 3, D like this, and C 4, and also E which has one image, okay. So we have every element in A has an image, and that image is unique. So that definition is nothing but that we call this as function, okay. So what is the function? For every element in A there is a unique element in E, okay. Unique means it has only one image, okay. So you can see that A has only one image, B has only one, C 1, D 1, E 1, okay. So every element in A has only one image, that is a function, okay. So this is a function, okay. So there are some relations which are not functions. Obviously it may have two images, or okay. Now the most important thing we have to see here, that so number of function from A to B. Suppose we have number of A as a domain and B as a codomain, okay. So number of A is members in A is suppose M, and members in B is suppose N. So M and N are the elements from A and B, okay. So now we have to see number of functions from A to B. So how to find out these numbers? So we have a formula. So first thing, so number of functions from A to B, from A to B is this codomain, that is n raised to m. So this is your number, okay. So power of n, that is m. So these are the numbers. So whenever we have, for example, we have suppose in A suppose there are 2 elements, in B suppose there are 3 elements, then how many number of functions from A to B? So number of functions from A to B, how much? So there will be 3 square, so that is 9, okay. So in this way we find such type of numbers, okay. Now second thing we have to see here, it is number of 1 functions, okay. Suppose again number of elements in A is m, number of elements in B is m. So using again the formula for this, okay. So number of 1 functions, so it is one of the type of function, that is 1 functions. Number of 1 functions are the number of 1 functions, 1 functions. In next lecture we will see what are 1 functions, but before that we will see what is the how many 1 functions are there from A to B, okay. So it has a formula, so it is equals to NPM, that is permutation of n elements in m ways. Okay, so n p m, this is m. Okay, when n is greater than or equal to m and it has no 1 1 functions, when our n is less than m, means number of codomains, when number of codomains are greater than number of domain, at that time we find number of 1 1 functions. Otherwise, if number of codomains are less than number of domain, then it is, there is no 1 1 functions. Obviously there is no 1 1 functions. So this is very important, students. Just recall this formula, and you know that what is npm here. So what is the formula for npm? So here npm is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus m factorial. Okay, so this is the formula for this, and using this we find out number of 1 1 functions. Getting? So next thing, this was the second thing we have seen. Now we have to see third thing, that is number of onto functions. So number of onto functions, how can we find number of onto functions? See, so here again third thing, number of onto functions. So number of onto functions. In next session we will see what are onto functions, but before that we will see number of onto functions. Okay, so it has a formula. What is the formula? So we have seen n raised to m minus summation r varies from 1 to n minus 1 raised to r plus 1, then n c r and n minus r raised to power m. So this is the formula for number of onto functions from a to b. Okay, so by using one example we will find out number of onto functions. Suppose we will take the example here. If order of a is 2 and order of a is 3, when our number of domain is less than number of codomain, so how can we find? N must be must be greater than n here. Okay, so this is very important thing. So m here it must be greater than n. In 1 1 m is greater than m, but here m must be greater than or equal to n. So m is always greater than. So what is number of a is 2 and number of b is 3. Number of b is 3. So obviously number of a is m is less than 3. So at that time there is no onto functions. So we take number of a as suppose 3 and here 2. So obviously number of a means m is greater than n here. So at that time we find out number of onto functions. So guys, we know that the formula for this. So n raised to m minus summation r varies from 1 to n minus 1 raised to power r plus 1 n c r n minus r raised to power m. So using this formula we find out number of onto functions. So just put the values here. So n is, so what is n here? 2. So 2 raised to 3 minus summation r varies from 1 to 2 minus 1 raised to power r is 1. Okay, r plus 1, n is here 2. So 2 c r n 2 minus r raised to power 3. So using this formula we find out number of onto functions from a to b. So what is 2 raised to 3 here? So it is 8 minus, so we find out one by one this. So r varies from 1 to, so if you put r equal to 1, so this is minus 1 raised to power 2, then it is 2 c r is 1 here. So 2 c 1, 2 minus 1 raised to power 3. Again we put r equals to 2. So if you put r equal to 2, then this vanish. Okay, so we are not taking r equals to 2 here. So we solve for this. 8 minus bracket minus 1 square is 1. 2c1 is 2 factorial divided by 1 factor into 2 factorial. 2 minus 1 sorry 1 factor again. 1 factorial and 1 raised to 3 is 1. So here 2 factorial is 2. So 8 minus 2. So how many numbers are there? 6. So there are 6 onto functions from a to b. Okay, out of 8 functions we have 6 functions, 6 mappings which are onto. Okay, So in this way we find out so many examples, and students, we will solve so many examples of this topic, and we will see what are one function and what are onto functions in next session. Thank you.